Hello guys, my name is Awesome Man, and today we're doing the fidget spinner giveaway. Last video I didn't really make it clear, but today I am. Now, the fidget spinner giveaway goes like this. You have to like the video, and comment which one you want. And I'm giving away 3 basic fidget spinners, well, 2 basic fidget spinners, 1 custom made, and 1 big, I can't really say what shape it is, but it's really cool. So we have, first of all, the LED fidget spinner. Black on that side. Red on this side, green on this side. Turn all these on and spin it. Spin it. And then you have the green fidget spinner, works like a charm. I had to replace the pads because one was missing. And then we have the custom made one. This is a dual one. Spins pretty well. Oh, let me spin it. Spins pretty well. And then we have the mystery one. I will show you in the next video. Just make sure to sub, post notifications on, and like the video, and you're entered automatically. Alright, peace out. See you guys later.